Hey, what's up guys, it's me, SheldonMan49 here, and whoever clicked on this video, you fell for my trap. You fell into my hole. You are in my hole. If you think you're not, you are wrong, mistaken, and ill-informed. I made this beautiful specimen as an experiment to learn about the YouTube algorithm, and it worked as planned. As I was saying, I wanted to learn about the YouTube algorithm. Why, you may ask? There are these things called shorts, which I would call the single utmost worst part of YouTube. Calm down. I know people can't handle my ingenious thoughts, but I will elaborate. YouTube Shorts are just YouTube taking TikTok's model and making a clone of it, and it is despicable. At one time, vertical videos were a disgrace across all video platforms, but now they have flooded into my recommendations harder than any other time. Here's the issue. I'm more of a horizontal, 10, 15, sometimes 20 minutes kind of guy. Not a vertical, under 60 seconds, stupid nonsense kind of guy. I'm getting sidetracked. So I made the video with a Snapchat filter, and then I uploaded it. The first of the views were the people with post notifications on. Something you should do, just saying, so you don't miss any videos like this, huh? Then I noticed a few tiny bumps, and then BAM! So this may be a coincidence, but I think not. It is quite obvious that YouTube is favoring YouTube Shorts. They are short, sweet, just like your mom. This is perfect for watch time, and the more watch time on YouTube gives YouTube more money. You aren't slick, YouTube. I know your game, and I don't like it. You can't hide this video from the others. You can't censor the truth. What are you gonna do, huh?